Victoria Crutcher, known online as @RealPeachyOfficial, is an Australian social media influencer who has gained global recognition for her fashion-forward content and positive lifestyle approach. Her journey is a strong example of how consistency and authenticity can build a powerful personal brand. Born in 1993 in Australia, Victoria developed an early interest in fashion, fitness, and creative expression. Over time, she transformed these interests into a thriving digital career that spans multiple social media platforms. She is widely appreciated for her balanced fitness philosophy. Instead of promoting extreme routines, Victoria follows a moderate workout schedule of 4 to 5 days per week, focusing on staying healthy, confident, and energized. This realistic approach has made her stand out in the influencer world. Her social media presence, especially on Instagram, where she has over 1.3 million followers, showcases a blend of beauty content, lifestyle updates, and travel adventures. She carefully curates her online identity while maintaining a natural and relatable personality. Outside of her digital career, Victoria enjoys a variety of personal hobbies. She loves baking, exploring new destinations, snow sports, golfing, and spending time with animals. These interests highlight her fun-loving and grounded nature. Her success is also reflected in her financial achievements, as she earns a strong monthly income through collaboration.
Like nothing I found, my mind